Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Honda CRV 2017 to 2022 has an error related to the starter cut relay control circuit, known as DTC P16F5. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, indicates that there's a high voltage present in the starter cut relay 1 control circuit. The starter cut relay is a crucial component that assists in preventing the engine from starting under certain conditions, thereby safeguarding the vehicle from potential theft or malfunction. The control circuit typically interfaces with the powertrain control module, PCM, and other electrical systems. When diagnosing this issue, a proper understanding of both the relay's function and the electrical system is essential. This troubleshooting guide will provide detailed steps to identify and resolve issues related to this code, ensuring the vehicle operates safely and efficiently. The error code, P16F5, specifically involves the starter cut relay 1, which plays a crucial role in managing the engine starting process. This relay interrupts the starter motor circuit to prevent the engine from cranking under predefined conditions. The relay is typically located near the relay circuit board, which can be found in the engine compartment or underneath the dashboard. The relay receives signals from the powertrain control module, PCM, which is the vehicle's brain managing various engine and transmission functions. When high voltage is detected in this control circuit, the PCM triggers the DTC P16F5, indicating potential faults in the relay circuit or components connected to it. Understanding the positions and roles of these components is vital for effective troubleshooting. Several factors can lead to the activation of the P16F5 DTC. One common cause is a faulty starter cut relay, which may not function correctly due to internal failure or wear. Another significant issue could be a shorted wire in the ST-cut RLY1CL circuit, which can lead to an unexpected surge in voltage. Additionally, poor connections, loose terminals, or damaged wiring at the relay circuit board or the PCM can disrupt the normal operation of the relay system. It's crucial to assess these possible causes systematically during troubleshooting to ensure a comprehensive evaluation. Each element plays an interdependent role in the circuit's overall functioning, and failure in one area can affect the integrity of the entire system. When troubleshooting the P16F5 code, several symptoms may become apparent. The most immediate indication is the engine's inability to start, as the starter cut relay is designed to interrupt the starting circuit under specific conditions. Drivers may also notice a dashboard error light that signals a problem with the engine management system. In certain cases, the issue may be intermittent, meaning the vehicle might start normally and then suddenly fail, complicating the diagnostic process. Other behavioral anomalies connected to this DTC may include unusual electrical activity, peculiar noises during attempted starts, or inconsistent performance from the ignition system. Recognizing these symptoms early can significantly streamline the troubleshooting process. The first troubleshooting step involves confirming the presence of the DTC P16F5 and evaluating the issue more closely. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which activates the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC. This action refreshes the diagnostic data and resets the system. After clearing, attempt to start the engine. Once the engine has been started, check the HDS for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If P16F5 reappears, this indicates the failure is persistent, and you should proceed to the second step. If not, this could suggest an intermittent fault necessitating further investigations into possible loose connections or wiring issues. In the second troubleshooting step, focus turns to the relay circuit board associated with the starter cut relay. First, ensure the vehicle is in the off or lock mode before proceeding. Remove the relay circuit board carefully to avoid any damage to connected components. Once removed, conduct a detailed inspection and test of the relay itself. This can involve using a multimeter to check continuity and resistance values to ensure the relay operates as designed. If the relay is confirmed to be functioning correctly, you will proceed to the next step in the troubleshooting process. However, if it is found to be faulty, replacing the relay will be necessary to resolve the DTC P16F5. The third troubleshooting step requires a careful examination of the wiring related to the starter cut relay. Start by utilizing the HDS to jump the SCS line and wait a minimum of 1 minute. This procedure prepares the system for a more in-depth analysis. After this time, disconnect the PCM connector A, which contains multiple pins essential for relay communication. With the PCM connector disconnected and the relay circuit board removed, turn the vehicle to the on mode. It's crucial at this stage to measure the voltage between specific test points. Test point 1 should be PCM connector A, pin 33, while test point 2 should be a stable body ground. A reading of 0.1 volt or less here indicates that the ST-cut RLY1 CL- wire is functioning properly. Should the voltage exceed this threshold, a short circuit is likely present in the wiring between the PCM and the relay circuit board. To ensure that the repair efforts have been successful, a final verification step is critical. After addressing the issues that caused the DTC P16F5, power up the system and conduct a test to confirm that the repairs have resolved the issue. You should clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to enable a fresh start for the vehicle's onboard diagnostic capabilities. Once cleared, attempt to start the engine and monitor the HDS for any re-emerging DTCs. If DTC P16F5 does not return and all systems operate normally, the verification is complete. It's vital to ensure that all repairs are thoroughly validated to maintain vehicle safety and performance. After successfully addressing the DTC P16F5, implementing preventive maintenance will help mitigate future issues. Regularly inspecting electrical connectors and ensuring they are clean and free of corrosion is essential. Poor connections can easily lead to faults in electrical circuits. Additionally, periodically check the performance of the starter cut relay to ensure it operates under all expected conditions. Keep contact points free from contamination, as dirt and grime can lead to electrical resistance that affects performance. Establishing a maintenance schedule that includes these tasks will not only prolong the life of the relay and associated circuitry, but will enhance the overall reliability of vehicle operations. In conclusion, understanding the components involved in the DTC P16F5 is vital for effective troubleshooting. Each stage of the troubleshooting steps provides a systematic approach to diagnosing and repairing the issue related to the starter cut relay control circuit. By carefully following the outlined steps, including verifying the presence of the DTC, checking the relay circuit board, and inspecting wiring for shorts, you can effectively resolve the issue. Additionally, implementing regular preventive maintenance procedures can significantly enhance vehicle reliability. Ultimate success lies in thorough diagnostics, proper repairs, and ongoing maintenance, ensuring the Honda CRV operates optimally for years to come. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.